We integrate all of our software and all of our technology, however we could package it up and integrate it into the world's inference service providers. They are token factories. And the effectiveness, the performance, and the token cost production capability for their factories is everything to them. And this is what happened. We updated their software, same system. Because you know inference is your workload and tokens is your new commodity, that compute is your revenues, that you want to make sure that the architecture is as optimized as you can. Every single computer company, every single cloud company, every single AI company, every single company period are going to be thinking about their token factory effectiveness. This is your factory in the future.